Welcome back to B-Buzz Bang. Bang! Episode 2 is here, but first, a quick reminder of the rules. You'll see a country, pick the correct capital through, and then you get 3 seconds to name the continent.
Okay, after every round, you get an extra bonus geography question. Let's see how far your knowledge really goes. Ready for a brand new quiz? Let's jump right in.
Round 1.
How are you doing out there? Anyone still keeping that flawless 7 for 7 streak? All right. But now, Wing, bang. Here comes a bonus geography question. Think you can take this one?
What is the largest island in the world?
All right, we're moving on to round 2. But before we dive in, tap like, hit subscribe, and good luck.
Round 2.
Okay, great job making it through round 2. Now let's see if you can crack the bonus question.
Which is the longest mountain range on land?
Okay, bang! Nice work getting this far. Round 3 starts now. Stay sharp and let's do this.
Round 3.
All right, time for a bonus geography challenge. Let's see if you're ready for this.
Which is the driest non-polar desert in the world?
Final stretch. Only 3 questions left. This is where champions are made. Let's go.
Final round.
Okay, thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and check out the next quiz. Bang!